bliss, a place of wisdom and joy.
Hello everyone, my name is Emily and welcome to Kids African Drum course. Today I'm going to teach you the first basic exercises.
We welcome you with compassion and radiant light, a place called Guangshan.
The first beat is bass, tone bass. Bass, you hit it with your right, then tone with your left, then bass again with your right. Now let's try it twice. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Let's try again. Ready? Go. The second beat is bass, tone, tone. You play it the same. Bass, tone, tone. Now let's try it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The last beat is tone, 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 tone. There are 5, but you're going to play them like this. Now, let's try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to play all the beats, each beat twice. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our basic exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos. And please share with your friends too. Goodbye.
We welcome you